delighted to be here in Sabah in Malaysia. I'm a guest of Sapi Plantation. Wilmar have been looking after me, and Wild Asia have arranged this meeting with the smallholders, in which I was able to talk about my research into the Pakis Sarang Burung, the bird's nest fern. The reason why this fern is very important and very useful for the oil palm is that it can grow in the ladang sawit, in the oil palm plantation. It contains many animals, so it's good for increasing the biodiversity, and if we increase the biodiversity, we increase the sustainability. And in the oil palm, that can only be a good thing, because it can increase potentially the number of predators, of decomposers, and these things help the ecosystem to function. So it's like a living soil. The bird's nest ferns are a living soil. They're doing many things. So we think it can be a very good thing for the oil palm.